Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start with the foam roller under the outer thigh, just below the hip, because the iliotibial band runs from hip to knee. Position yourself on your side and prop your torso on forearms so you control pressure. Do not rest directly on the hip bone. Once stable, shift a little weight onto the roller and use your free leg behind or in front to adjust load. This first move lets you feel sensitivity and locate the tightest spot before rolling. You now begin slow, controlled rolls along the IT band from just below the hip down toward the outer knee, moving about 8 to 12 inches. Roll at roughly 0.5 to 1 inch per second so you can monitor discomfort and muscle response. When you find a tender spot, stop and hold for 20 to 30 seconds while breathing deeply. This encourages tissue release. Make sure your knee is slightly bent to protect the joint, and modulate pressure with your arms and top leg. To finish, you should spend about 1 to 3 minutes per side, alternating light rolling and brief holds. This balance helps remodel tension without overworking tissue. Once done, follow with a gentle IT band stretch and 2-3 sets of glute activation like clams or banded walks to support long-term change. If you experience sharp, radiating, or worsening pain, stop immediately, reduce pressure or duration, and if it persists, consult.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.